Alrighty, guys. Okay, I went to my local neighborhood Walmart today, guys, and I found the Mother's Day pink Stone Crusher. Look at this beauty, guys. That's so beautiful. Monster Jam, Danger Divas. There's a Stone Crusher. My God, I'm happy I found this one. There's a new truck so you can get. Gravedigger re-release, Blue Thunder, Earthshaker re-release, Jamulance, Scooby-Doo, Sparkle Smash, the Stone Crusher Zombie, and the Chase, which is a Toro Loco trainer. Real Trucks for Action Monster Jam. Oh yeah, guys, this is so nice. Without further ado, open this bad boy up. Ooh, okay, here we go. Let me put the light on it. Look at this. Oh man, that is so cool. There's a caveman guy, Stone Crusher. The pink body, and then there's a caveman on top. Really nice. Pink. It's like a hot pink, basically. Stone Crusher with the caveman Monster Jam logo. Taillight printing, Stone Crusher name. Pink rims and beadlocks. Black roll cage, gray chassis. Really cool, guys. So, this mix is going out at Walmart's now. But this is a fresh case. They let me open the boxes, so I got two. Got one more to go, guys. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.